Ndewo, kekime, Otela. It's been long. So basically, Ahambi Ijoma Kubwe, if this is your first time. For people that have been here, thank you for being here with me. Um, so yeah, it's been long that I've uploaded a video. I've had lots of things going on. Uh, yeah, but I will get back into the uploading videos regularly. Um, so Jimnaka na Hodege, I hope you're well. Okay, so a few things I've been going on. I've been trying to plan my year. I mean, I started in December, but I'm still planning. I've had to change a few things. Planning the programs I'm doing. I'm planning to write some books, and these books will have illustrations. So yeah, so if I'm looking for an illustrator basically, and I would also really like a writing coach, Igbo writing coach, of course. Um, or maybe not strictly Igbo, but somebody that's written children's books, illustration and things like that. And the other plans I have for the channel is I'm doing a lot of collaborations this year. Okay, so you'll be seeing people on the channel, and yeah, that's just a few things that have been happening in the background. And I have a vision board. I'm not done it completely yet, but I'm making a vision board this year. It will be the first time. I mean, previously I've written goals and all, but I've not. But by the way, my vision board is online. Um, and what else is happening? So yeah, I have a lot of goals: personal goals, family goals, relationship goals. Yeah, spiritual goals. So yeah, 2020 is a great year. It's a great year, and I am believing God that a lot of good things are going to happen. Yeah, happen in my family, happen in marriage, in my business, and good things. And I hope it happens in yours too. So today's video is mostly to invite you to the Speak Igbo challenge I'm doing on Facebook. So there's a Facebook group. It's a dedicated Facebook group, okay, just for this challenge. And it's for you if you're an Igbo learner beginner, okay? If you're a beginner learner, you have an Igbo spouse that can speak Igbo and you want to know the basics. So you can hold at least a mini conversation in the house. So you're going to learn things like household item names, family member names, how to greet, how to introduce yourself, how to ask about family, work, school. Okay. And by the end of the 3 days, the goal is that you would have made 30 sentences by yourself that you can then use them to make a mini conversation with your loved ones. Because when you do this by yourself, you're more likely to remember it. Okay. So, of course, I'll give you the tools, I'll give you the training. Okay. But your job, because it's a challenge, I'm challenging you to make 30 sentences all by yourself in 3 days. So if you want to take the challenge, there's a link below the video for you to join us. Okay, so we're actually starting later today. So where I am is already 26th. So we're starting 26th of February. If it's not yet 26th, don't worry. Yeah, we're starting 26th of February. Okay, and it's a 3-day challenge, which means it's Wednesday to Friday. Okay. Of course, at the end of the challenge, because it's only 3 days, yeah, I don't expect that you will learn everything, but you will learn the basics to be able to hold at least a 1 minute conversation. Okay, and by the end, if it's what you want, if you're ready for more coaching, then I'll offer you a way to get to work with me to grow your confidence further in speaking Igbo. Okay, right. I think that's all I have for you today. The other thing I want to mention is I don't have comments in my videos anymore just because of some YouTube changes. However, you might have seen my YouTube posts, so the normal posts I just write or put an image. On those ones, you can comment. Okay, so if you have a question about the challenge, you can ask me there. Oh, I actually got some questions about, oh, come on, can you do the challenge on YouTube? Right. And I was saying, if the comment option was still there, it would be great to do it. I haven't ruled it out yet. Okay. I'm actually thinking about it, but it won't be happening this week. Okay. But I will do something on YouTube similar. Okay. But for now, the Facebook challenge is starting today. Okay. And you are specially invited. Okay. One O, Cody. n'asụkwa Igbo.